So I don't have a niche area. I really am the guy who handles all the privacy stuff. Talks to all the federal regulatory agencies, the Capitol Hill, state legislative and state government agencies, and then helps talk to the privacy community at large about what Facebook should be doing in terms of our design of our policies and our procedures and our practices. Absolutely. I mean, the fact that we have well over 130 million people here in the United States, that in and of itself is going to affect the discussions about privacy. I think we're by far the largest social network now in the world, and so everything we do seems to be influencing policy, both good and bad. We actually pride ourselves on our privacy leadership. Sometimes it's not talked about that way in the press. We get negative press when we do things that are new, but we try to innovate. Let me give you a good example. In December, we put all 400 million users that we have through a privacy rollout process where we asked them to stop and think about Facebook and privacy for the first time, even if they'd never thought about privacy before on any other website. And that was pretty amazing to have 400 million people literally have to stop and think, boy, should I be sharing this? And what kind of person am I? Do I want the world to see everything? Do I want to share it just with my friends? Do I want to share with my friends and my friends of friends? That was a pretty exciting moment to have people go through it. And there hasn't been another company that's ever done that. The first time I saw that proposed was as long ago as 1968. So we think we did something pretty revolutionary in doing that. And there's been a number of privacy innovations we've worked in over the years. I think we'll continue to do that. Right. So there are actually advantages, it turns out, to having lots of your data in one place under one trusted provider. We hope that's Facebook. We hope that people will continue to come and share with us the important parts of their life so that we can provide the information they want us to share with others and make that make our system a great communications tool. It's not actually easy to have a dozen different sites where you do little parts of your life and then try to have you control all those, because most of us don't have the amount of time that we need to go to every single site and think about, okay, well, here's my information about my housing information, and here's my information about my shopping habits, and here's my information about my travel. It'd be a whole lot easier if it was all in one place and you could have real control and do with it as you wanted. That's what the goal that we're working towards in part. So one of the things that I've been most interested in at the conference that we're at today, which is the Privacy Law Scholars Conference, is that I have been trying to help find information from actual law scholars and other people who do research in privacy all the time about how they recommend that we help users understand changes in new products as we roll them out. This idea of informing people and actually getting them to understand new technologies is actually an incredibly difficult problem that needs to be solved. And without it, every time any company rolls out a new product, anytime in the information age, there's going to be real drama and concern as users wrestle with, what does this new product mean? How do I use it? And what are its implications? If we can get people to understand more about what a new product is and what it means, I think we'll actually do a lot to make people comfortable with embracing new technologies that can make their lives a lot better. So I'm hoping to find information about that from a group of scholars who've been thinking about related questions.